Okay, I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I thought I would share this video. I bought a Riccar R30D Tandem Air, brand new, for about half off from a dealer. And my nephew, who is with me, he's 15 months old, he loves vacuums and he loves to open these with me. So this is an unboxing video. You and I are gonna open it. Say hi, Boston. What are you doing? I don't want you back there. Watch out, buddy. Please don't drool on here. Watch out. Okay. All right, what do we want to take out first, Boston? He's not quite talking yet, but he likes to make noises. I'm gonna take that open. I'm gonna take the here. Let's get out in front of the camera. Come here. I don't even know if you can see him. He's so cute. Here, let's look at the camera a little bit. Here we go. He loves vacuums, and the cats hate it. Cats are probably like, oh my god, not another vacuum. Okay. All right. I'm excited for this. So I have a Kirby and a Miele canister, but I have to vacuum every single day, and sometimes I just do not want to use a canister. I get tired of it. So I got the Riccar. Well, I was initially going to get the Maytag M1200 because it is exactly the same machine. It's just not as, you know, bougie looking and not as nice looking. You know, some lower quality parts in some areas, but overall it's the same machine. Boston, come here. Come here. Anyway, so I called this store called American Vacuum in Kansas City. I think it's in Kansas or Kansas City, Missouri. Because they had the Maytag, and it was the only store I found that had the Maytag, but he said, look, I am out of the Maytags, but I'll give you the Riccar Tandem Air for about half off. I got it for $6.99. It could have been a display model, I don't know, but I was okay with that. It's a warranty. So it looks like we have the manuals. I like to keep my manuals. Probably have to register it in a second. And then we have the extension hose. It's a very nice metal extension hose. It looks like it's matte black. Oh, there's no buttons to press. You just grab this, and I like that. Cool. And it looks like it fits universal 1/4 inch 32mm attachments. Let me see that. Nice. So I'll put that back in the box. Put this for a second to protect it from my nephew. And here is the hose. So this is a 17-foot hose, and this is one of the reasons why I chose the Riccar, because it has like a canister length hose. It doesn't pull you back or pull the vacuum over like my Dyson does. So that was really important. Has a suction relief valve right here too. That's cool. Okay, so we'll put that here. Here, let's show people what we're looking at. I'm gonna get everything out first, and then I'm gonna here's the handle. Nice metal handle. And there's the main unit. Okay, Boston, look. Look, Boston, look. Ooh. Okay, so what do we gotta do, Boston? Let's see if it has a bag. It does. Let's see if it's been used. Let's see, how do I do this? Ah, okay. Yes, this does appear to have been used. This is a display model. So I'll put this in it. It's still a good deal though. I mean, half off is pretty incredible, even for a used one. Well, another thing I like about it, it has a sealing bag collar. So when I pull this out, it seals like that. You can see that. And it clicks. Okay, that's clicked into place. There are no blemishes on it that I can tell. Bag chamber is pretty spotless. A good seal. Okay. Now I've got to put this on. Now watch out, Boston. Careful. Got zip ties. I like to keep these to like wrap cords and stuff. Cut this. Okay, watch out, buddy. And there is one screw I will have to take out. Crap. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta go get a screwdriver. Come here. I gotta go get a screwdriver. Riccar. Okie dokie. Here. Gotta see if I can get you guys on camera. Come here. Okay. Joe. This really reminds me in design of my Dirt Devil swivel glide, but it just the way the profile, not quality, but the profile for sure. Don't blow. All right, now we gotta get a screw out, Boston. I really feel like it should have more than one screw for a Riccar, but maybe it doesn't need it. So there is one model more expensive than this one, and it's about $500–600 more. The only difference I can see in that model is it has a HEPA exhaust filter on the side of it, a HEPA media filter, but from what I read, this also has a HEPA filter inside of it. It's just smaller. So I'm not for sure what the appeal of paying another, you know, almost $600 is just for a filter, a bigger filter. Okay, that's pretty tight. It's got metal finishes, I like that. Hey, where are you going? No, stop it. No. Come here. Look. 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 It's a vacuum part. No. 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 I'll just put the wand in on the other side. Let's just go. What is wrong? Oh, I see. It just kind of stays there. Cool. Austin, give me that. Yeah. Sorry, he's just so little and doesn't know. Thought he would be more interested in the vacuum, honestly. So here is the machine. What I don't like is that this is kind of loose in here, but it does lock at the handle right here. It has metal finishes. I'm gonna see if I can somehow get him to, ow. The tripod stand bit me a little bit. Okay. Okay. And there's the cord. No, don't scratch that. Toddlers hitting up this terrible 2-stage. It's pretty close. Any of that. No. Man, this cord is so long. All right, there it is. The Riccar sleeper vacuum. All right. I'm going to post a demo video of this pretty soon. But thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.